Alright, welcome to my online class once again. Today I want us to look at some of the questions that came out in JAMB 2025. And of course, this video is for those who are preparing to write JAMB this year. We are going to look at all the questions that came out last year, so that if you are going in, you should be able to know the type of question you expect. Now, one of the questions that came out last year, of course, this is the question number 3 that came out. Now, the question says, one bag contains 4 white balls and 2 black balls. Another contains 3 white balls and 5 black balls. If one ball is drawn from each bag, find the probability that one is white and one is black. Solution. Now, if you want to solve this problem, of course, there are 2 bags here. We can say bag, let's divide this into 2. We have, this is bag A, and then we'll have bag B. These are 2 bags. Now, in bag A contains 4 whites and 2 black. Now, the white balls in bag A, the white ones are 4 in number, while the blue ones, the black ones in the same bag A is equal to 2. Altogether, 6 balls are contained in bag A. For bag B, we'll have that white in bag B. I want to use this to represent WB, WA, BA, and then BB. This is a number of blacks in bag B, number of whites in bag B. So white ball, another contains 3 whites. That means for bag B there are 3 whites there. For black, number of black here is 5. Altogether we'll have 8 balls. Remember, the probability is the possible outcome all over the total. The total of this is the total in bag A is 6. Total in bag B is 8. Now we go. The probability of whites in A is equal to number of white in A is 4 all over the total number 6, which will give us, of course, 2 can go here and go here at the same time to give us 2 over 3. That is the probability of whites in A is this. Now, probability of black in A, number of blacks 2. I want to give us 2 all over the total, which will give us 2 can come here to give you 1, come here to give you 3. So the probability of black balls in the bag A is 1 over 3. Note this, note this. Now the probability, I want to erase this, or rather shift it. Now probability, this is second bag now. Probability of whites in bag B will give us, white is 3, which will give us 3 all over the possible outcome, which is 8. Probability of the blacks in B, this is black B, which will give us number of black is 5 all over the total number of balls in this is 8. Having gotten this, probability of balls in the first bag, probability of bags in the second bag, probability of white in the second bag, and the probability of black in the second bag. Now, I want us to know that these are two mutually exclusive events. Remember, they said if one ball is drawn from each bag, the bag A, you dip your hand, pick a ball there. The probability of getting a black is there. Then, assuming the first dip, the probability of getting a white is also there. Now, the second dip, assuming you dip the second bag, the probability of getting a black or the probability of getting a white. So that is what the question is all about. Now, to answer this question, we have to get the first dip, which is the probability of getting a white from the first bag, times the probability of getting a black from the second. Remember, there are two from the second one. Black is probability of getting a white from the first one, times the probability of getting a black from the second bag. You now keep it, which is equal to probability of getting white from the first dip, which this is for a lot of white, is 2/3 multiplied by the probability of assuming the second bag is what you got from the second dip from the second bag is black. Probability of black, which is 5/8. You keep that one. Now the next one is probability of getting a black from the first bag times the probability of maybe the second bag, second dip, you obtain a white. So probability of obtaining a white from the second bag. Now, which will give us the probability of black from the first BA, which is this 1/3 multiplied by the probability of obtaining a white from the second D, obtaining a white WB, which is 3/8. By the time you get this to give us 2 times 5 is 10 all over 3 times 8, which will give us 24. Now, probability of obtaining the second one, which is the second dip now, 1 times 3 will give us 3 all over 8 times 3 will give us 24. Now, having this probability of the first and second dip, what do? We add those possibilities or those probabilities. When we add them, we have 10/24 plus 3/24. What do? We take the LCM of the LCM is 24. You know how to add fractions. So when you add this, we have 24 divide this will give us 20. Will give us 1, right? 1 times 10 will give us 10 plus 24 divide 24, 1. 1 times 3, which will give us 3. And then plus, we now have 10 plus 3 will give us 13/24. And the 13/24 is option C, which is the correct option. Please, if you enjoyed this lesson and you desire to get more of this solution of past questions, please do well to hit the like button. Follow my page. If you are following me on, if you see this on my YouTube channel, please do well to hit that subscribe button, so that the moment I drop further solutions, or the moment you will be able to notify and then you see them. So Thank you. If you have questions, do well to drop it in the comment section. I will reply you immediately. Thank you very much.